Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Rohit Tech. Today in this video I am going to show you how to get free API for Tencent Hy 3 and connect it to VS Code. Now let's start the setup. Open web browser. Go to Google search, type open router.ai, hit enter. Open Router official website is open. Click on sign up. I am logged on with Google account. Now I am successfully logged on as Google. Click on get API key. Go to search. Now you can see the Hy 3 free model here. Let's click on it. Price free. Context 262K. It released on July 6, 2026. Click on open router. Click get API key. Click new. Type key name. I'm giving it name Hy 3 free. Credit limit leave as default. Expiration 1 hour. You can choose key life on your according. Click on create. Now key is generated. Copy this key. Click close. Go to search. Select Hy 3 free. Click quick start. Click on curl. Now I'm going to integrate Hy 3 on VS Code. Go to Windows search. Type VS Code. Click on Visual Studio Code. Go to extensions. Go to search. Type Cline. Click on Cline. Click install. Click trust publisher and install. Now Cline is installed. Click mark done. Now set up project folder. Go to Explorer. Click open folder. Click documents. Click new folder. I'm giving it name Hy 3 project. Click select folder. Click on Cline. Click bring my own API key. Click continue. Configure your provider. API provider. Select open router. Open router API key. Paste the copied key here, which I earlier copied. Go to browser. Copy the model. Paste it here. Click on continue. Now you can see Hy 3 model is selected. Type Hy, hit enter. See it showing hello, how can I help you with your project? Create office inventory. Web page using HTML, JavaScript and CSS. Hit enter. Click save. Now you can see task completed. Minimize VS Code. Minimize web browser. Double click on this PC. Click document. Open Hy 3 project. Open index file. Click just once. Now you can see office inventory web page. Let's test the web page. Add item. Example. Monitor. Category. Electronics. Quantity 1. Location store. Click add item. Now you can see item is add. This means our web page is working. So viewers, in this video tutorial you can learn how to get free API for Tencent Hy 3 and connect it to VS Code. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for latest updates.